Hello and welcome to the second video in this series. This one is Ujjayi breath and how to last through any yoga class. Hi, my name is Rebecca. I've been teaching yoga for over 20 years and practicing for over 30. And in this video, I'm going to tell you the number one most important thing in yoga, which you saw in the first video. If you haven't, I don't know, you can find it somewhere around here and go watch that first. Breath is the most important, and Ujjayi breath is my favorite yogic breathing technique. Okay, Ujjayi breath is, first of all, in and out through the nose. Second of all, it's a controlled flow of the inhale and the exhale. And you try to make the inhale even with the exhale. So let's say you're inhaling for 4 or 5, then you would exhale for 4 or 5. Okay? So Ujjayi breath, if you can get it down, master that Ujjayi breath, then your yoga practice unfolds for you. Don't worry so much about what you look like in the poses or how they feel or anything like that. If you can just bring your awareness totally inward and just focus on the breath, in and out through the nose, control the flow. Okay, how do you control the flow? By constricting the back of the throat. Think of a water faucet, okay? If the faucet is just wide open, the water just flows out freely, like there's no control over it. If you close it tight, like halfway or 3/4 of the way, you can control like how much water is coming out. It's the same with your breath, okay? So if you are practicing a style of yoga like I teach, where the teacher's counting out the breath, then you're good. If you are not practicing a style of yoga where they're counting the breath, then you're going to have to do it for yourself. So you're going to have to think in your mind, inhale for 3 or 4, exhale for 3 or 4. Understand? All right. Try this technique in your own yoga practice. Comment below. Let me know if it works out for you. Let me know what your challenges are. And that's it. If you have not yet, consider subscribing to the channel. Make sure you like the video so that my videos show up more in your news feed. And if you're interested, you can download my free practice tips and even join my community for a 30-day free trial. All right. Happy practicing, be well, and I'll see you on the next one.